Hello, greetings to you all, and it's good to have you back on this channel, just like always. Yes, on today's video, we are going to cover the Alex Ekweme Square that was recently refurbished and reconstructed by the Anambra state government, talking about the Soludo's administration in Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, Nigeria. So right here we are right in front of the Alex Ekweme Square, which is one of the biggest and also one of the most beautiful squares in the country today. And all thanks to this administration for the massive reconstruction that was done both outside and within this facility. So guys, on today's video, it is going to be very interesting because if you remember the last time we did an update of this project, the grandstand has not really progressed very positively, but today as I'm talking to you already, the grandstand is already standing tall and waiting to be used. Yes, massive work has already been done, and the progress is very interesting. All the same, looking around this facility, you would know that it has been a lot of work has been done on ground already. To be sincere with you, the Soludo's administration in Anambra State is totally determined to see to a very transformed Anambra, and that is what we are already seeing on ground. In various directions, from various angles, the transformation is just massive and truly overwhelming. There is no word to quantify what is happening in Anambra State at the moment, and we give all thanks to the Soludo administration for what it has done so far. So good. So guys, we are going to take you all around this facility. You would by yourself see what has been done. To be sincere with you, I am so impressed with what I saw, and I believe that every well-meaning Anambrian, every well-meaning Nigerian who saw or who would see what happened here and who knew what this particular square used to look like and what it is looking like right now should, appreciate and applaud this administration for what they have done here. To be sincere with you, the addition of the new grandstand is truly magnificent and a very good plus to this facility, because it would make this facility to accommodate more people. I could remember some time ago when there was a function and I was opportune to come around this facility. I couldn't get a place to sit, and probably that's because there was not enough space for me or for other persons who were standing out in the sun right within this facility. But as it is right now, the provision have been made for this facility to be able to accommodate more people, and that is what we are talking about, transforming and expanding most of these facilities to be able to function in full capacity. And it's what this administration has done already, seeing that there is an additional grandstand that is as massive as the major one that used to be within this facility. So right over here, you can see what the grandstand, talking about the newly built one, is looking like already. All the same, don't forget that work has not been completed on this grandstand. Even as I'm talking to you right now, work is currently going on still on this grandstand. You would see all of this for yourself. But what I'm trying to say is that there has been massive progress already. To be sincere with you, even the way it is right now, it can be used and for any function. And all the same, don't forget that this particular grandstand is totally different from all of what we used to have here, because this particular grandstand is going to have a gymnastic house and even a restaurant right beneath it, and that will make also this facility to be more functional, unlike it used to be. So guys, I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear your thoughts. I would love to hear your views about this project that the state government is carrying out within the capital city. I would love to hear your advices, your recommendations, whatever it is you would love to share with us about this project. Please kindly do that on the comment section. And also, if you know things that we don't know about this project, please, we'll be glad if you share with us on the comment section so that we all will be on the same page together. So also, if you are new to this channel, this is the first time of coming across this channel, please, I urge you to do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Yes guys, you can see also one of the grandstands that also received attention by the Anambra state government, talking about the roofing. Yes, this particular grandstand, if you look at the roofing, it was totally changed from what it used to be. And to be sincere, I love the pattern that was used on this particular roofing in this grandstand. And initially I thought this was what they are going to do in the newest grandstand, but lo and behold, it was a flat roof that was used on the new grandstand. And all the same, I wouldn't say it's looking bad. It's also good, and I believe there is a reason why they prefer to use the flat roof on that particular one, probably so that it will be uniform with this particular one here, because this used to be the major grandstand within this facility, and you can see that it had a flat roof. So I believed maybe they did that flat roof so that it would there will be a form of uniformity in the both grandstands. So don't forget that on this video we'll also take you towards the mini football pitch, the tennis court, and the basketball courts within this facility. And already we are there, because this particular space here, yes, this spot you are seeing here is the basketball court that is also within the Alex Ekweme Square for basketball lovers who would love to also come here and have your sports. And also behind the basketball court there is a handball court over there too that is also available for public use. All of these facilities you are seeing here are for public use. If you visit these facilities during the weekends, like Saturdays, Sundays, you would see a lot of people who are coming into this facility to make use of all of what you see here. It's always very busy, mostly during the weekends. So if you are a lover of sports, football, you can also come around these places to connect with people who love sports. So you can also see the mini football pitch. There are about 2 football pitch at this location here. We have about 2 football pitches here, and they are both mini pitch. So for those who love playing football, you can also come here to connect with football lovers. So looking around these places, you will notice that everywhere is glowing and shining, and all thanks to the Soludo's administration for this one. Thank you for watching, and see you on our next one. Bye.